Hi little ones! Dun, 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 dun. If you're wondering who this little guy is, this is my son. I adopted him a few days ago and I asked you guys on Instagram to help me give him a name, and we all decided on Mini Frills. So this is Mini Frills. He is very happy. He's a pink fluffy boy, and yeah, he's my son. I love him and I hope you love him too. Today I'm here with a sort of unboxing slash review for an extremely adorable shop on Etsy called Peach and Parfait. They are a UK based shop specialising in kawaii accessories. I'll put some photos on the screen for you right now so you can get an idea of the sort of stuff that they do. Just to let you know, this isn't sponsored at all. I bought this lucky bag with my own money. They're not paying me to say anything, so anything I say is true. Here's the little parcel. It came in this box, but I've already destroyed it because I was so excited. So let's just get into it and take a look. So my lucky bag came in this really sweet pink cherry blossom bag, and oh my gosh, I can see some stuff. I can see some really pretty colours, and just the colours, I'm really happy. Okay, first of all, I have this tiny little bag that says free gifts on it. So this is not part of the lucky bag itself. These are just some free gifts that they have very kindly thrown in as well. So here is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so here are the little things that were in the free gift bag. I guess we'll start with the big one. So here we have Kiki and Lala, the little twin stars sat on a moon. This is a proper little keychain with some really adorable pastel stars as well. This is so damn cute. I am so happy. I love little twin stars. I think everyone really loves little twin stars. They are so damn cute and they are like the epitome of anything pastel. Also in the free items little bag, I have this sparkly pink jelly bear. Like a gummy bear, but I call them jelly bears. Do you call them gummy bears? If you can see in the sun, it's extremely glittery. It has so much glitter in it, and it's like a mini phone charm. This is 100% going to go on my phone. It's so cute, and like, just from the free gifts alone, I'm already an extremely happy bunny. But now, the moment of truth. Is this a lucky bag? I have two items here and it looks like they are matching. So I'm going to open this one first because I can tell that this is a very cute bracelet. So here is the bracelet. The colour scheme is pink, purple and blue, and all of the stars are in purple and the beads are pink, purple and blue. This is so cute. As you can tell, I love bracelets. I just love this. Look at how happy my wrist is. I love this. It's really comfortable. It's not tight. The elastic is really stretchy and it doesn't feel like it's going to break. Obviously the colour scheme is 100% for me. The stars theme is amazing. I really like things with stars on. Probably prefer sort of star themes to heart themes, so that is really lucky that this is perfect for me. I was so happy with this. So the last item that we have in the lucky bag is this one right here, and oh my, okay, let me just take it out and show you. So the last item that we have is this matching necklace. So it's the same as the bracelet, however at the bottom we have another jelly bear or gummy bear or however you want to call him. He is purple, which is perfect because despite popular belief, my favourite colour is actually purple. And yes. The clasp is adjustable, as you can see. You've got lots of chain there, so you can alter the length of it. I'm just going to put it on because I'm really damn happy. Look at how damn adorable this is. I am so happy to have another precious son. I am 110% so damn happy. This is so cute. Look at this. Just look at that. Look at that. I feel like I'm getting very subtle fairy cave vibes from this set, and I really like that. So my style's kind of like subtle fairy cave, kind of like Manamoko's Fancy Surprise, that kind of style. So this is genuinely so perfect for me. I rate this lucky bag 10 out of 10. Like I can't fault it. I love the little jelly slash gummy bear aesthetic. It's so damn cute. I am a really happy bunny. I love this store. Peach and Parfait, thank you so much for choosing such wonderful things for me. Thank you so much for these adorable free gifts as well. Like, I think they are just an incredible store. The prices are just impeccable for the things that you get. To think that they all hand make these, and like, if you enjoyed this video and you want to take a look at Peach and Parfait yourself, I'll put their Etsy store and their Instagram on the sides of my face right now, so you can go follow them, go check them out, and maybe even buy a lucky bag for yourself and see what you get. If you like this video and you haven't already, then please make sure to leave a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. And keep watching, little buns, and as always, I will see you in the next video. See you soon!